Hello all my food friends, welcome to today's show, Cooking with Chef Fred. I am going to do a red velvet cake pops. And now I'm going to be using a boxed cake recipe out of a box because I figured because I'm spending a lot of time doing the cake pops and a lot of the candy coating that I can get away with cake out of a box. So I know some of you might be saying, whoa, no, that's not, can't do that, but I think for today's recipe it's okay. I love making cakes from scratch, but with all that's going to happen in this episode, I think it's okay. So give me a little bit of leadway with that. That helps speed up the process and make it a little better for you guys as well. So I'm doing a red velvet truffle. So here it comes. Hey y'all, how's it going? Welcome to my channel. I am Chef Fred, bringing you the best tips and skills for everyday cooking. On this channel, we help you not only learn how to improve your cooking skills, but also review equipment, tools, and strategy. If you are new here, please consider subscribing and ringing that bell notification so that you can be alerted to all of our new uploads. If you are returning, welcome back. Now let's get into today's lesson. So we're going to take a pat of butter and a pastry brush, and we're going to butter our 9 by 13 pan very well. Once we get it buttered, we're going to add a couple of tablespoons of all-purpose flour, and we're going to get this pan floured very well. And this is so our cake will come out easily and not stick to our pan. And that's our buttered and floured cake pan. Now we're going to follow the directions on the cake box itself and mix the red velvet cake in the mixer as per instructions. Now while the cake is baking, we're going to mix up our cream cheese icing. Just follow the instructions in the recipe, and it says just cream cheese and confectioner's sugar, and we mix this very well until it's creamy and smooth. Once our cake is cooled, we're going to crumble it up with our cream cheese icing and form balls as you see here. And then we've just simply melted some white chocolate bark, and we're going to coat our balls using our dipping and coating method here, and I'll show you how to do a couple of those now. Once we've got them coated, then we're going to just tap on the side to get all the excess as much as we can off of it before we set it down to set the chocolate. After we've coated all of the truffles with the white chocolate, we're going to take some red icing and drizzle it across each truffle to give it some nice decoration. And this is a cross cut of the finished product. Please share, like, and comment on this video. I read all the comments and try to respond to as many as I can. Until next time, cook something great, and I will see you on the next video. Bye for now.